Nunkoro beni la kairo tema ay feteng. Nunkoro beni la kairo tema ay feteng. Alam baramen. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Bale konton na somanda on sabot libla dima. Baflale ko ala baraka bake atul milyalon ko al kataram fejan komandal tala nyamin jannin kadiyamu kuma aska Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tentu man saba man sakallanke man soma ya lonko atlaka kol be sonan dino ala jondingo e mbatentula man soma ya lonko atle intolda na baluwo ba atle bulu na almadu men kanda ko kanda na mo men kanda ko kanda bada manso tentula ba gayla ala la fon tolla no ala mako yon tol kan wato wat bada wulu ko men ka fale nyamen drom ka watini wadi kachal mel soto drom bi fanan bi sibito no nyongolo soto le jan drom pour nali kacha na kacha tumu nyum menti badum ko ma yalo nyamen mbodo kula kono do tafu mboda ko do tafu momba kono mba kono le wala beto ko mbe yerro do tafu ko mba kono le so kama dron ka fale ko anal bad malam silvo shonko eke bayo shonko anu walam manna ka mejam bi fanan be kudan tandal ma dron kol mel yalon ko bi banko dimo be nyanta la hakilo sabana wo karama fa ngol banko dimo be nyanta ke la hakilo sabana wo ma fa ngol to carte fayo ko wala keta ya wala fo ko wala keta iko carte fayo wala keta carte fayo ko la sa imbe wala kono ya wala patio me ya lonko ka fo le National People's Party o National Pundum Pantam Party do sa fo NPP iko itolle winoke sain bar jannitul ko winoke banko be no itolle bulu iko ye wino men ke janni kawoke banko be no itolle bulu ni Gambia banko mbeyo kalamuta carte fayo keta memol haklo sambala na video do kanum fo la personal Facebook on the 5th of January 2021 mfo la personal Facebook na video do ken je exactly na memfo wala nat nake ko ni Gambian ko al mawuli nal mawuli e be ko ferol mel be city kan e be nyapela banku dingol kan e ba sigal e ba dila mola me yalo ka be siri an wala keda Adama Barrow mon kato winjang Adama Barrow la mol ya lon kat ko Adama Barrow mon kato winjang mbadu won sai sa nyonyin ka sai mbadu won sai be nyonyin ka sai na nyoso hakilo ron sai ndo mbadu ndolle be siring sade killing ndolle be siring kabila killing mbe ya lon na kabila mbe ya lon suosu Adama dum jelle be mbe ya lon kan eni elan nebo ala so ko nimmo sata jaman saji kalon mbe yalon la sol mel yalon ko NPP kol beje sol mel yalon ko NPP kol mantara je o mantara maboto moye nyim banko kanja bari karto fayta e ko NPP la winta akena no nyaadi ye sunyaro ke bari ila sunyaro nyin e man fera no ila sunyaro kono ye nyapenkawo ke bar nyapenkawo ni e man fera no la nyapenkawo kono abe possible la nyaadi le abe keleno nyaadi le MPP be political party le nyim banko ko more than 200,000 votes party me alon ko abuka meeting function those so-called observers all those so-called CSO civil society organization will maybe nyim banko kanjak Kafindi Kafoko election is one of the best election in this country. One of the best election. Election will be a long go. Wole Senate election will be in Banko Kanyan. CS all like offer. Because Minakata, a main mirror, because Minakata, a compatio men yanta win, a beja more patriot. But saying, Udula Montalo Baga, because remember you will in the co, Gambian call the Sonta Walla. Gambian call the Besson now. Elong, Gambia sign for Hakil to work back. For the past 22 years, more kilo. Political party kilo, wala sonta kafa, wala sonta kasorong, wala sonta kuobe kala jimbanko kanjang. For the past 22 years, this last 5 years of the same political party, wala sonta ka finti, ka jalayo beta, ka kuo beta, for ka jimbanko boni, the same political party. Wala sonta ka jalayo ta, wala sonta ka kuo beta, jimbanko kanjang, the same political party. Wala sonta ye kuobe la kan, wala sonta ye ya gada ye siobe ye kuobe fama, jimbanko kanjang, the same political party. The political party me alongo. The last 22 years, that political party only wale keloke in this country, Gambia. In this country, Jimbanko Kanyam. You are more calamity. Mobile calamity, Jimbanko Kanyam. Mobile calamity. Side bad will drunk. Bina diamo nyimbira damoto drunk, left and bad will never hakilola. Ye la kolol le bondi, ye nafulol bondi, ye fengol bondi. Ye Gambian call Kamamuta, ye Gambian call election o tebulo. Through their money, ye la kolol la, ye la nafulol la, ye la fengol la, ye peta Gambian call kang. Because ngale ko election o nyi amanga ko me banko dungol le carte fay Adama Barrow. But election o nyi nafulo le carte fay Adama Barrow, nafulo. Kodi keso wole carte fay Adama Barrow. Ni ko mole ko kodi keso le carte fay Adama Barrow le. Do se nyina ga kodi keso le carte fay Adama Barrow nyadil. Hey, Gambian call man carte fay Adama Barrow. Believe in me. Oh, ni ko Gambian call man carte fay so jino ko maybe ibula dolel. Okay, fine. More dole carte fay Adama Barrow le mba fala wala nyama sai. But the majority of the Gambians man carte fay Adama Barrow. No. Majority of the Gambians will man cut off Adama Barrow. But Tonya nak very soon. Truth will come. Tonya very soon. Tonya very soon. But kuma Clinton on board for the Gambian Cole. Tulunta son no mole la. Kabrin campaign be kere ya commence ka tulun Gambian Cole son no mola. Ka Gambian Cole ta ke silandi. Wala ko di me ya lon ko wala be kere njang. Tulunta Gambian Cole son no mole la. Ya Gambian Cole silandi. Gambian Cole la son no mo me ya lon ko nyanda ke la banko kala la. Hamo me nyana ka bango kelal ekluta o hamo no sonno molela bar jumale o nyaton ko ya Adama Barrow fon le o nyaton ko ya kamen tay mo me ya lonko abe campaign ke gam yalon Gambian ko left don base na mira na rani hakilo la sa mbak somebody who is campaigning alila man hakilo la sa mo me ya lonko abe campaign la ke kan campaign mo me campaign ke kan Ikafo banko dongole ko and even ikafo banko dongole ko yalong the 3 years jot na ken ngende na gaso fay kan ali la man hakilo le mome ya lon ko debe banko la nyini ka banko dungul bulu e kalo banko dungul nyaato e kalo television le ka foko e benum banko nyini kan e benum ya lon 3 years jot na wato la hay fintan jena na gaso fayi kan say hakil man ka diama to lede mome ya lon ko be banko nyinola karto man fay follow karto fay man ke follow andu debe banko dungul le noma ka tande o banko dungul ite you are humble, you are the right person, ite le mod me ya lon e manda tulno banko dungul la. So you want those banku dungul pour ya carte faye bodi kalo banku dungul ni ka foko ya lo finta nun janna num na gaso faye kan hakil malu sa ka diama to lede ali amina adama baro lo diamo nyin aya ke mina kama at that very donjo wo wato la be wato men kono adama baro diamo ke mina kama be wato men kono why adama baro diamo ke sa hakil malu sa ala calculate sa bang mine atina adama baro yo diamo at that very time aya ke men kama wala nyindiko ka banku dul silandi because imina men kala yalonde because election on yalonde ko Gambia dul Dakar fayile but say what are they going to do now ibe symbole jayla Gambia dul kan Gambia dul tefintla no I will tell you the game banko dul nimme tarana hakilola ibe nakumo moylan kam men fo nimme la mane hakilola but momo man la mane hakilola ita fahamu lan kadamen dafo mutumo len adam baro fintita ko war sodo nun jang ifina de 3 years finta jana na gaso faye kan e mul walu dam mul bo video tala ba partager la ñoy tari video ñi mol yo video le kuntum be partager la ñoy tari ko adam baro ala moyde oto ñi manke mo dispassé this guy is not responsible ñi mo di mi alon ka mo responsible man na katra faye lay but do you know the main purpose of that video? Do you know the main purpose why me na adam baro yo kumofo yalo na minu dalilo me atina adam baro yo kumofo because adam baro ya lon ko already to the election reject adam baro ya lon ko to the election no already ye election no tinyale already paleta banale ito left men ya sotole but sign ni left men ni ya soto membe o tale bulu wala nyindi ko nim banko dul fintita sign but sign banko dul me ya lon ko fintita ke inform ko na fintita nyim banko kanyam bal gaslal ye gaso men sama nyim banko kan atamira siyalal just because melekada ko banko dongul kana diam be nyabala banko dongul kay be kawmutala andi ko banko dongul kana diam o banko dongul ye be silandi kabere ala malo yin ferol ke ayu kuma kawol fo mo li aje ko no this guy is not responsible. He is responsible. I alone I am for because I alone know what is the plan. Ye même plan mu ferele be bulo ko a wala long ando fero nyin tinyaro be kala mir nim banko dongul nama banko dongul silandi banko dongul be fitla kan kala fero nyin tinya kala sembo nyin tinya bar sai ada fo ki da mod me ya long ko tleke da nyaton ko atale gaso fo e banko dongul kan nyim banko kanjam human right be there. Just make so-called statement. Well, because that's all what they will do. So-called statement or they will travel like this so-called human right council commission. Nimbango kanya. Kaya fayo kena inyabida banku dungul kawakang, banku dungul kawata. Kabreja bida banku dungul kawata. What is the next step? Sai banku dungul be waruta. Banku dungul be waruta chaw. But kabreja banku dungul be waruta sa isleta ansai ife ko membe bulu ensay among guarantee. The only guarantee priya soto no membe bulu wala nyinde ko nyimol mel fintina ke janyandi. Alnatani hakilo la sai. Lefta mende na sotole na sunyaro kele na gemo sotol na gemo yin lefta menda we have it kanyabi banku dongul kawakan ka banku dongul kawote bulo kono no sotole sembo kan but time anama men fondum comme kabrin tuye jonnon kol fina na gaso faye kan adama e wala fonu sayin tamin karte fayo banda Gambian ko jahalta jama fintita jama ninko jama the largest population of fintita ya Usain Dabo ya wolin because mneketa every Gambian call they were frustrated because mneketa Gambian call ma understand sayin adama nala mol silanta sayin ha go to nyalam he nyimolu e fele fintita andum e be siaka nyame nimme janyande comme na menga tuye jotna la nimmo kela ko dangi ni shara jondro asikeno ko dangi benda bankota alam bulle because they will realize what has happened iba realize la mina keta otumolem alkal condenata because mina keta mol benum pipeline ne peacefully mol benum Usain Dabo la korada peacefully moment fitna ke moment fenke moment fitino ke moment fenke everybody was there listening to their leader mo bebe no njele ka ala Usain Dabo batu mo bebe no njele ka ala Usain Dabo batu peacefully kasi ka ala Usain Dabo batu peacefully wala be no njele alkali condenata because it's a plan jani alkali condekana ya paral samana yelondi the other side ya paral samana yelondi the other side also with the police alila made the deputy police inspector general the commissioner of police in Kanifing was not even aware of the operation. Commissioner of police, member Kanifing, if operation will take our former long, what kind of operation is going on? Because we were there, maybe in jail. The commissioner of police not a jail if I be able to Parala nyaton ko me along wole menunje paralo nyaton ko nyin kay ko I am not taking order from you, I am taking order directly from the IGP. Alila moyde I am not taking order from you, I am taking order directly from the IGP. So but the deputy commissioner of police was there obenunjele but imam mol provoke no because everybody mol beje nobody was making any trouble. Molbeje they were listening to Usain Dabo. So they didn't elect them no banku dungul bulu. No fitna, no trouble. So Alkal Conte aje ko look, ñulbe siyakanne. So Alkal Conte na da kaba home force la gaga to cause trouble. The deputy commissioner of police Kaiko, if you go there anything yemen so don't go there, leave us to do our ambush. Well, on the other side, people are silent, Molbeje Alkal I try because Alkal was eager. I've been eager in it. Pour crime or trouble or mole janjang. In Bango Kanyang. Pipeline. You want to make a bear witness. So at Alkal Manahani, right? Amanahani at the move out. They make their plans in another drone, ye gaso fire molkang, Kamul Janjandi. And yaki nyame ya lonko abekela nyame ya lonko amanta amabola. Their cameramen came there. In a year diamond drone. Because it's a real operation. Molmeli ya lonko boyta yebe buta yebe video. An operation. Ye picholta. Molbe batar nyame ye picholta. Ye video ta. Ye video ta, ye picture ta. Ye picture ta, ye famol ta. ya muta ya fay Facebook sa men da pipeline tilimbali men da pipeline everybody knows it mo be silanta ko dange ha baro gas fay men fa fale gas o fay mo be silanta that's the game mo be silanta sai because it's an operation. Because now jail, for example, as a photojournalist, you came there in a dulanyento. You picture for evidence purpose. You'll keep those evidence with you. You will keep those evidence with you. But cameraman, they came there with their cameramen, in the cameraman naraje, ye picture janjandi dula to tari, banko be nyaje, banko be silanta. This is exactly what they did. A mobile silanda side. And they feel comfortably that Koitolu, yes, now they are in power. Comfortably now they are in power. Sai bangu dungo be silanda sai. Bangu dungo be bulo muto sai. Inja penkawo sero and they feel good they are comfortable in ilanja penkawo nyinto. Because they are already succeed ilanja penkawo nyinto. Sai inja penkawo keda banda sai. It all feel they are still in power. Banku dungo be silanda sai. Banku dungo be silanda sai. Banku dungo be mantra hanyin sai. Ha ne findira be gasolo failankan. Because person baro fon loko e be gaso failankan. The next strategic move you make wala nyinde ko paral mele alon ko wala nata. It all fon la implant sol nyul wal findira na ko ha you didn't call le happy birthday. Paral finale ko happy birthday you didn't call le Allah ko you need more gas. You need more gas. You need more gas. If you need more gas, come Alfindina. You didn't call. But you need more gas. You didn't call Alfindina. Mohamed Kante. Mayor Lonko Mohamed Kante is a police officer, but Jeloko during 3 years time okono. Police ole jawya menge, police ole brutality menge. Afina na diamto kono ya Mohamed Kante muda ya arrest. Mohamed Kante was arrested. A senior police officer. Gambian Kolo, Altani Hakilo, and Kamba Valiala Moide. A senior police officer, Mayor Lonko, come ye brutality. Ye Klimbaliaki, parallel Klimbalaga, Fintina, just Kauko Diamdro, ya arrest, ya Samba, ya Soron, ya Samba Kitiola, from the Bimankona, Mamura Dokol, a senior police officer, a cadet officer for that matter, senior police officer, an inspector, a commissioner for that matter. Ya muta ya Samba ya Soron, Mohamed Kante of all. Ya Mohamed Kante Samba ya Soron, ya Samba Kitiola, ay win Kitiola. Ansa ya Monson Kamurna la Palasoto. I believe he has now finally resigned. A junior police officer Mayor Lonko, a junior police officer sign. Mayor Longo ya Samano yaki Joramut. Wona takalo. Kau kuma jawo sifal fo fumbe bi men kono momon kulo ila kono mo malon foye aras la bang mo malon foye bay la bang mo malon foye samba kitiol la. Do you know why? Do you know why? Mbali ngambe ko kadia matule why? Those junior police officers ali alon ko jumale be use kan. That is how mafia can operate wala nyama. Mafia can doko ka wala nyama. This is a mafia government. Banku din jawol ka doko ka wala nyama. But ku kan lebe je wala nyinde ko. O police olu. O soja o police olu. Nala kilo ba kan nun da was a time albelum kumbola albelum bataring. Nantara doko wala si tomorrow dol ni doko wala e buka mursu wala kono. bar jumalel wulda ka kelo ke pro wo tlimbale balkan bi alko wolta alko wolel batandi alko wol tora banku dum me yalonko wala wulda ka kelo ke pour tlimbale men ka law tlimbale nye balkan aw banku dum bi alko wolta alko wolel gas o banku dum alko wolel bunkes kirkesola nyim banko kanja bor mele kada the plan is make we know it ni alon ko ma ko kana ke what they do wala ñu ko e ka paral be ko man la cew ye be sama ye bla kampo ko ne kampo soro ye tombong mo jawol mi alon ko be ko no yawol tombong ye gasol du bulo ko no mol mi alon ko e manke ñu banko dongolti mol mi alon ko mam miro soro ñu banko dongole mol mi alon e fe ko mol mi ka finti wol mu jawol leti e ka wol le tombong le tombong yeta ko altalite bon gasola ñul mal jawol leti alte bon gasola ñul man la fa la mol alte bon gasola alte bon kidola anybody lata wol ko e fe ko wo mu sympathize alti momo lata ko wala ñu ko banku din kendo la wodi e ka wol be mu da campo ko ne bu ko so wole finti they disarm them momo ya lonko is a good police officer ata sona brutality la ata sona tlimbali ala ata sona tonyero la e ka wol be mu te ye soro campo ko no ye ñu mo ye police jawolta ye fintindi e ko alta da gaso fay ka police e mankaran ila karaw man jamfa e tlem e ka tle di mo tlimbali ka menke di mo promotion e ka wala soto these are the police officers who ka mel bula e ka foko alta da gaso fay banku dongol ka those are the police officers ka mel samba e ka foko alta da gaso fay banku dongol ka ñim banko ka ñambe jumala mo kala mo o police dindul mel ya lon ko happy birthday UDP ko alna gaso fay al ka ko tangue if you need more wala ko do ansa fe mam for to sign President Barrow is thinking to be sworn in. Gambian call Al Basiri. Alco because Melaka Al Silata Sayal. Alco Al Silata Sayal. Allahu Akbar. Yimbanko Alma Alay Mako Mansabama Zakalanke. The places like Egypt, places like other part of the world, Niaja dictator ya buka meno o dulalto. You can be a dictator, but abuka meno because banko dul ka fintle sacrifice. Kaja ko dictator ya ta mela jang. No, kaja ko dictator ya kela no jang. All those good police officers, they close them. They can't surround them. They disarm them. Because on fait jora tane bulokono ye soron kampo ko na sirinje ye police officer jawo samana banta al halata gaso fayika we knows we now membe be keri na lon na belo we knows everything because now la ko dara police officers melialongo they will not accept such kind of brutality on their people, we know that police officers will be melialongo wolte sonno klimbala kelela mol. But Melialonko, they are irresponsible. Melialonko, Niela history jibe among they are not real natives of this country. These are the kind of police officers they use against their own people, against their own brothers. Yes? Among come yeki wo filo kono. But yemuta ye kill your own people. Go and kill your own people. Go and kill your own sisters. And you are proud that you are part of those delegations to go and kill your own sisters. Do you think? Ite be content that wala ko. Ite be mol ko me ala ko yeta ye dedicate ko go and kill your own people. Tite la mol fa. Tite la mol fa. Allah ko do mo yar jole those officers mele ya lonko wolle bo tlimbala ke kan Allah ko do fo mo yar jole bang no, but the money many of those people you make delegate na le nyinka on the ground they give them a lot of money you could deal because they pay them because they are part of a mafia gang. They don't care about what the state is going to pay them, but they are part of the mafia gang. So melbe wuru kan wolle mele ya lonko petetu gambe dum mele ya lonko ye do ko ke banku dia kay do ko ke wala kama wala be multi me wala be wor kan pour yela ko dol jo but this other people me ko yebla operation on na oli ya wol jole they paid them on the ground we know it na alon ne e wol jole e mammel jo we know e mammel jo no alon na wollon ba Gambian call jam men kada wala nyundo ko Gambian call diamo la ka sia Gambian call even today if you organize a protest you put your more je fintinang it's not going to be easy some of these things banku dungul la hakilo ka je nyola sono banku dungo be sono mo nyanda ka je nyola all the regions be election mo nyanda ka je nyola e finti nyola once tinyaro bugake e manyal tinyaro kela nandro manyana kela ka findi kal kawdi dunya la ka findi kal la jamaata ndi dunya la that is the ka findi ka jakatandi ko ndollem jamaati mankato fay adama baroye ndara kidi bun ko le kidi bun ko malef kan kaw moy that is very simple ndollem jamaati mankato fay adama baroye it's very simple. Nobody should fight. Momanya naka keloke, momanya naka tinyaroke, momanya naka nendroke. But Gambia do to some nakaka. Gambia do to some nakaki. And ya jembe nu nyata nu ya jembe come a balanta nu. Kakat. I am telling you, ya jembe of all. He would have stayed here. Banku don't definitely no. Nada ya jembe balanta nu kak. Abe still jam banku don't definitely nobody, no countryman will be out. Ko ya jembe kamera balanta jam lekeda. Kabi ya jembe balanta jam kak melekeda. Street ka be empty ta. Everywhere I was empty. Mo bebe suwol kono mol buka handi kata ande mol buka handi kata even marsa fomoto ala soldier jawul sika ay lo nudlo abeto ay banko dumul be traumatized fo baro mo kalamuto di system lebe ron kan an kana nyonene baro yalo no ko amon election o win jang baro yalo no ko election o win no nyum banko kan jang baro yalo ko Gambian call de karro fayla e bon mileketa yena fulol melta mol bulu ferio me alongo e ferio sa 9 million euro ferio kuta ma 9 million euro kuta kinda ya sa wala 9 million euro sa ko sa kan line joye kawol maintenance don ke maintenance ke refobis kan line joye kawol refobis don e ko 30.5 million euro over 30.5 million euro. Allahu Akbar. €5 million. 30.5 million euro. Do you know why? Because milakata ya nafulo la use ka banku demol kamuta. O nafulo me ya yeta mol mel bulu foye wol jo. They must pay them back. Ya mol mel la kodo da foye wol jo. Those people need their money because milakata it will feel for now they are there and now they are about to start their celebrations. Hey, why man celebration why? Why now? Why now? Big celebrations. Why now? Me na say me na celebration balik la say. Why? Bali wan kala nyu ni why? Why? Ita ko the election will win. Imen celebration okay. Ya kidi bungol sang. Ya kodol di kidi bungol la. Ya kidi bungol bali pour Gambian ko le tonya moy. ni banko Gambia ko Gambia almali mako Gambia Allahu akbar mole lo nyim banko kanjang ye siol dundi nyola nyim banko kanjang man samandiam nobody call instruction them police me command kenyi nka mole lo keba kodo lo ay wuli yafo ay batara yafo ay lo president lo ay wuli yafo ay kafri yakumofo keba salibalo keba jahilo ega mun tayadul ego ay president's religious advisor o keba jahilo president's what? President's religious advisor. Moment ka president advice dino la. Welo. Ay siyol be commandi. Ay lo ay siyol be commandi. Ako siyol be ko al jawol le mujin sidolti. Al jawol le mandin kolti. Allahu akbar. Al jawol le mandin kolti e siol be ko moni taw e ko siol be ko al jawol le mandin kolti nal son dañu mandin ko le ñim banko mané bal be bay la ñim banko kanjal president ñala man ka dengol be siring Allahu akbar man ka dengol be siring Allahu akbar